For this quick and easy recipe, I use tomato sauce, tomato paste, Italian seasoning, garlic, onion powder, complete seasoning, herbes de Provence, part skim mozzarella, part skim ricotta cheese, red onions, sweet red pepper, 1 large clove of garlic. So guys, I cored out some zucchini squash, and I sprinkled a little bit of garlic powder, onion powder, pepper, and spritzed it with some olive oil. Put it in the oven for about 20 minutes. Next up, I took some ground turkey, red peppers, green onions, red onions, and put seasoning in it with some tomato sauce and tomato paste, and let that simmer up. Then I carefully spooned in some of the meat sauce, filled it in, with my cookie scooper, spread it nice and evenly. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? Then I carefully scooped out some of the meat sauce and filled it in. Each one of the zucchini boats, if you will, the cored out zucchini, and filled it in. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? I then took some ricotta cheese and carefully spread it on there. I then topped it with mozzarella cheese. Then after I topped it off with the mozzarella cheese and the ricotta cheese, I put it in a 425-degree oven. And it's time for this to come out of the oven. And wow, look at how good this looks. Nice and cheesy. I love for my cheese to be toasted, like when I made cheese toast and things like that. I love the look at that. And it's not crispy, it's just the right amount of texture to it. And look how good that came out, guys. Wow. Can't wait to serve this up and eat it. Yummy. Easy peasy and healthy. So here's the finished product, guys. I just took one off of the cookie sheet just to show you. I put it in a small presentation plate. I could have put it in a large plate, but you guys know I eat off of small plates now, so I just didn't put it on a larger plate. But here it is. Here's the zucchini. You see that green. You see the perfectly toasted cheese, and it's really soft. It's not hard, it's not crunchy. It's just how I like for my cheese to look, and I don't always have it that way. Let's say if I'm doing pizza or something, it may not be that way, but when I used to eat like toasted cheese or a cheese toast, I always, put it under the broiler for a few seconds and let it brown. So I did the same for that. So let's cut into it and see how good it looks. And I do the 3 ounces, so this probably will be about, I probably couldn't do half of it and eat half of it because that's going to be more than 3 ounces. So this is probably around 3 ounces. So this thing, I can eat this will be like 3 meals, believe it or not. Now, that's just how much my stomach can hold. So let's just I'll cut it in half just for the video's presentation. Look at that oozing. Look at that ricotta cheese and the mozzarella. It's really cheesy. Look at that. Doesn't that look really good? You see the zucchini in there. And this is really, really healthy, guys. So it's really easy to make, really simple to make. I suggest you, just try to do it, and you'll be surprised at how easy and how simple it is. So that's it. That's all. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And it's time for me to dig in. Yummy, yummy, yummy. See if I can get a close-up view for you. And if I kind of tear it apart, you can see how good that looks, how gooey that looks just like a lasagna. So for those of you who really love lasagna or missing that flavor but want to do something a little bit healthier, try the zucchini boats, because it'll give you your veggies, and it's low fat and low carb, and it's absolutely delicious. All right, guys, and I'm going to be coming back with another recipe for the remainder of this the meat sauce, and show you another quick and easy meal. All right, so that's it. That's all. As always, thank you so much for watching. Take care and be well. Bye bye.